Dentistry has over 20 subjects to cover, that too with loads of clinical work. To make it even more complicated, we have so many books from so many authors. The question is, how to manage so much? You could be a topper who studies the entire year, or you could be one of those who start studying the last moment. Both ways, and extra help is always awesome, isn't it? Get that extra help from Dr. Teeth. On our website, we have subjects as courses, which includes many lessons and topics, categorized just the right way so that you can learn from basics to advanced or anything in between. The cherry on the cake is multiple choice questions that would make your understanding even more crystal clear. We also reward our learners certificates, badges to keep them motivated. Collaborate, make friends, have discussion, compete. Phew. Don't worry, on Dr. Teeth it's free. But if you really want to super simplify your learning experience, try Dr. Teeth Prime. Our premium videos cover the maximum topics super simplified, available 24/7 for you. Sign up for free and upgrade to Dr. Teeth Prime with a 20% limited time offer. Use the coupon code LOVE Dr. Teeth. It's time to show some love.